This is our fourth video in a four-part video series. In this video, we'll look at the specific workflow required to move the unit pricing from one or more bids in bids and tenders back into the original project tender. It's a critical step that's required if you want to perform cost estimating or extend the workflows into the field for progress payment. Our very first step is to close the bid in the bids and tenders interface. And once that's complete, we're ready to go ahead and export these bids as a finished bid analysis. So selecting the Submissions and Awards tab, you can click on the bid analysis option, and it'll export the bid unit pricing to a single spreadsheet. This single file then is used in the Builterra system. So there's no requirement to adjust or make special files. You can just simply pick the original tender, select the tender details option, the bidding tab, and you'll notice that there's a bids and tenders icon in the toolbar. Go ahead and select it, and then select the single Excel file. One or more bidders will then be submitted into the Builterra system. When you select the original bid, you'll see all of the unit pricing that came right from procurement, right from the bidder. Okay, if you want to take it to the field, then you award the bid. So by awarding the bid, this makes it available on the mobile devices for progress payment, daily reporting, and quantity tracking through the mobile app. So this is the fluid steps required to go from Builterra start to finish through bids and tenders and then back into Builterra.